and deployed our website. Our website is now running online that people can actually search for it, but it has a name that Netlify has given to it, but we do not want this name, so we want to change the name to a name that we want, that is friendly and people can actually search for it easily. So what we do is that we now change the name of our site. So on the site overview page, we have a button with site settings, domain settings, then favorite site. We will now go to the site settings button. So we click on the site settings button and we will have information about our site. So we have the general, that is the tabs here. We have the site details. So the name of the site, luxury, blah blah blah, that's what we have. And the owner is CodeHub. And this is our site ID. Now it also has the date that we created and the date that we updated it. And just after it, you have the change site name. You can just click on the change site name and then we will type the name you want. So you can say my site, okay, my site, and if it is available we can now use it. Okay, it said this site name is already taken, so I can call it maybe, okay, I'll use my name, my initials, so I'll call it GAF. Alright, and save it, and then to give me a name like GAF, but it's also taken. Okay, so let's try find a name, GFA. Let me save and see, GFA. This name is also taken. Let's find a name, my name. Okay, GFA portfolio. GFA portfolio. Let's save it and see. Okay, so it is now changed, that name exists, so GFA portfolio. Now we can search for our website using GFA portfolio.netlify.app. Okay, so GFA portfolio.netlify.app. We can now hit enter and it will reload for us. Alright, still okay, so we have our website here, GFA portfolio.netlify.app. So that is our website now. When we have a domain name, we can also go ahead and change the name to the domain name that we will purchase, but now we do not have a domain name, so we will just leave it like that. So now our site name is GFA portfolio.netlify.app. We can share this name to friends and they will visit our website. Now one more thing, this site is now viewed on desktop, on laptop, right? So you can see that everything here is perfect, it's aligned perfectly. Now what if we open it in mobile or on mobile phones? So Google Chrome has a way of setting out mobile devices, and this is how it looks like. So this means that when our website is open on mobile phone, this is how it's going to look like, right? It doesn't look nice. So let's say if it's open on tablet, this is how it's going to look like. When it's open on laptops, then it becomes the original size, but this is not nice. We want it to be responsive, and responsive means that whenever it is open on any device, it should be able to be it should be displayed correctly. You should have the alignment set up properly as we want it to be. And how can we do this? This takes us to our next lesson, which is Bootstrap. So in our next lesson, we're going to talk about Bootstrap. Bootstrap is a CSS and JavaScript library that help us to make our website responsive. So in our next lesson, we're going to talk about it. So this is our website. It's now online. You can share it to friends to view your first website. All right. So subscribe to this channel. Tell your friends. Share to your friends. Comment. Share your ideas and let us see the challenge you are going through, and then we will resolve it. Thank you for watching up to this point. We have other videos coming up, so stay tuned.